Blackstone, and I want to welcome you to a session today where we're going to talk about AI and how people have some fears of being left out or not being on the leading edge. The quickest way to do that is to start by figuring out which business process can be streamlined. So we're going to talk about that from today's perspective. We're going to talk about almost like the card game. Pick a card, any card. This is pick a process, any process. So let's get started and see how it goes. If you'll notice that I'd like to gather some information. So I've given it some basic background information on myself. And now I'm asking it, are there specific, or it's asking me, are there some specific areas that you would like to identify on an AI process that you would like to take a look at? We're looking at options of customer service operations, inventory management, supply chain, sales forecasting, fraud detection, and requirements gathering. If you don't see the process you're interested in, feel free to enter it as well. So let's start out with number 6. We'll do requirements gathering. And it says you've chosen this, and would you like to talk about any one of these areas, like automated requirements extraction, natural language processing for clarity, prioritization and risk analysis, and then continuous feedback loop. So it gives me 4 different options to begin to delve into. Let's say that we want to talk about the automated process for extraction. So then want to dive deeper into it. Do you want to do document analysis, pattern recognition, integration with other systems? How do we want to approach this? Is it from an efficiency standpoint, accuracy, consistency? And then how is it going to impact based on time savings, cost reduction, quality, etc.? I can continue to explore this, or if I don't have any further questions, I can move on to the next section. So let's say move on. So we can proceed to one of several ways. We can proceed to the next section, explore other processes, or contact Blackstone. Let's try another process. Let's say that I want to take a look at sales forecasting. Now it gives us some opportunities to dig into predictive analytics and the integration of data across the company, machine learning, demand sensing, scenario planning, and then sales funnel optimization as we score leads or do sales cycle prediction, and then inventory alignment. Here's what's going to happen for your ROI. It will impact the sales accuracy, give you cost savings, and allow better strategic decisions. And now it's asking me if I'd like to explore some specific areas in sales forecasting. Let's say that I want to explore inventory alignment. And here is going to explain to me how it works, the key benefits, and how we can improve cash flow, supply chain synchronization, waste reduction, impact on the ROI, then moving forward. If we wanted to go into another one that we don't have predicted there at the beginning on which scenarios we wanted to look at, we'll take a look at invoice matching. So it comes back and says, yes, invoice matching is a critical process. And this goes through and explains to us that we can use OCR and NLP for data standardization, do intelligent matching. So this is really cool to be able to actually go through and explain to you some of the great things that you can do with AI, and in my mind, relieve your fear of being left out. Let's move ahead and say continue. So as I said, that's another insightful discussion, and now we have the option to proceed or explore another process or go to Blackstone+Cullen for expert help. Let's go to Blackstone+Cullen because give you an idea of how you can be helped. A Blackstone expert will contact you soon to set up a detailed discussion on implementing AI solutions in your business. Prepare any specific questions or goals that you might have. If you'd like to generate a summary report of this discussion, enter 1 for yes or 2 for no. I'm going to say 1. And here's a summary of discussion of the conversation that we just had. I've gathered the requirements for what you might be looking for in terms of streamlining processes in your organization. I've only gone down 2 levels here. I normally go down 5 levels deep or more to really dig out the details of what we have to do in order to optimize and perform what I refer to as bottleneck engineering on the various processes that you might have. So I hope you enjoyed this. The next step is a Blackstone expert will reach out to you to implement these AI solutions. It'll be one of our principal consultants in AI, and we look forward to having you guys join us and helping you meet your goals of ROI using AI and overcome any fear of being left out. So everyone have a great day, and we look forward to talking to you soon.